Chapter 1, History of Computers. Lesson 1. Point 7, Mobile Computing and the Cloud Era, 2007. A device combined a phone, a camera, a music player, a map, and a typewriter into one slab of glass. People called it just a phone. Pause today, 85% of Ghana's internet flows through it. Welcome back to Level Up GH. Lesson 1. Point 7. Mobile Computing and the Cloud Era. This is the most relevant lesson in the whole chapter, because everything we're talking about today, you're using right now to watch this video. Your phone, the internet connection, possibly mobile data. Let's understand how it all actually works. And yes, this includes an exam topic that trips up almost every student. Two technologies changed everything in the last 20 years. Mobile computing, your smartphone merged the phone, camera, GPS, and internet into one device. And cloud computing, storage and processing moved from local machines to massive data centers worldwide. Put them together and you get this, enterprise-scale computing, from a basic device, using just an internet connection. You don't need hardware anymore. You need internet. Watch these two bars fill up. Globally, 57% of all internet traffic comes from mobile devices. That's already more than half. But look at Ghana's bar, 85%. 85%. Ghana is more mobile first than the global average by 28 percentage points. The iPhone launched in January 2007, and for millions of Ghanaians, a smartphone wasn't an upgrade from a computer. It was their first computer. Every app, every bank, every service in Ghana has to be designed mobile first, because that's where the users are. Now, cloud computing. Look at this diagram. Your device, a basic laptop or phone, connects to massive data centers, Oz, Google Cloud, Cloudflare, Azure. These are warehouses full of servers located worldwide. 4 benefits: no expensive hardware, scale instantly on demand, access from anywhere, pay only for what you use. And here's something cool, Level Up GH itself, this very website, runs entirely on Cloudflare pages. We don't own a single server. Everything is cloud. Quick check. What is the KEY advantage of cloud computing over local computing? A. Access software and storage on remote servers without expensive hardware. B. Store everything on your own device. 3 cloud models, 1 ladder. At the top, WASSCE, software as a service. Ready-to-use apps in your browser. Gmail, Google Drive, Zoom, Canva. The END user touches this. In the middle, PaaS, platform as a service. A managed platform where developers deploy code and the cloud handles servers. Heroku, Cloudflare Pages, Versal. At the bottom, IaaS, infrastructure as a service. Raw virtual servers, Oz Ec2, Azure VMs. An IT engineer configures everything here. See the exam alert? Here's the trick to remember it. The further down the ladder, the more control you have, but also more responsibility. The further up, the more convenient, but less control. End user, right arrow SaaS. Developer, right arrow PaaS. Engineer, right arrow IaaS. Now let's talk about something every single one of you uses. Mobile money. MTN Momo, Vodafone Cash, Airtel Tigo Money. Watch this number. 17 million plus registered accounts in Ghana. That's more than half the population. Mobile money launched in Ghana in 2009, and it has done something incredible. It gave market women, farmers, students, people with no bank account, full access to digital finance. Billions of cedis move through this system every single month. This isn't a Silicon Valley story. This is a Ghana story, and it's built entirely on the mobile computing infrastructure we just talked about. Here's something meta. The lesson you're watching right now, Level Up GH, runs on exactly what we just learned. Look at this diagram. A student in Accra, Kumasi, or Tamale sends a request. It goes to Cloudflare's Edge network, over 250 locations worldwide, which delivers our content from whichever location is closest to that student. No server in Ghana needed. And here's the layered truth. You are using SaaS, this lesson, in your browser. It's hosted on PaaS Cloudflare Pages, which runs on IaaS Cloudflare's global infrastructure, all 3 layers, at the same time, right now. Quick check too. Google Drive delivers ready-to-use software over the internet, no installation, no server management. Which model is this? A. IaaS raw servers. B. SaaS finished software via browser. Smartphone revolution since 2007, 85% of Ghana's internet is mobile. Cloud computing enterprise power from a basic device, pay-as-you-go. IaaS, PaaS, SaaS, raw servers, managed platform, finished app. User touches SaaS. Ghana mobile money, 17 million accounts, built on mobile infrastructure since 2009. And Level Up GH itself runs on PaaS, proof this all works for real Ghanaian projects. Final quiz, let's go. Final question. Google Drive delivers ready-to-use software over the internet. Users access it through a browser with no installation or server management needed. Which cloud service model is this? A. IaaS. B. PaaS. C. SaaS. D. On-premises. If you got it right, confetti time. Party popper, you've now completed 7 lessons of Chapter 1. 1 more to go. Subscribe, hit the bell, and share.